everyone, hope you're well. I am in my living room again. Excuse the slight echo. I'm just really enjoying filming here. I'm so happy with the room. So today I'm coming at you guys with a new in Zara video. I have some boxes that you can see right here, and then I also have a couple of pieces that I just bought recently that I want to show you guys, including what I've got on my feet, which is these cute slippers. These are actually Zara Home, but I'm going to be wearing them for this video. If you have a Zara Home near you, still go and check these out, because especially if you're a size 5, they had loads of size 5 left. And I'm leaving these as like my pretty slippers that I wear in the house when I want to look pretty and fancy and stuff. So aka for filming videos, and they were £10 down from 20. And then my skirt that I'm wearing today is from Stories, and I haven't worn it in a while, and I just thought I would bring it out because I don't really feel like wearing jeans today. So speaking of skirts, I did buy a skirt from Zara, and I will show it to you guys. It was expensive. Like when I got to the till, I was like, wow, okay. This was £50, but I still need to try it on. But you guys know silk skirts are not going to go anywhere this season, and I do think that they are becoming a staple in my wardrobe, and they're still going to be great for like spring, summer, so I kind of don't feel like bad spending money on them. This is just a plain kind of like floral print one, and I loved the length of it because I think it's a bit longer than the one I'm currently wearing. Yeah, so it kind of goes more to my ankles, like below my ankles, whereas the one I'm wearing now is like a little bit above. And I like the fact that it's flared. I will try it on for you guys, but these for me have just been staples this season, and I just don't think they're going anywhere. I don't think this is like a pure silky material. The one I'm wearing now is way nicer material. It feels like it's got some viscose in there. I could be wrong. And then I also got this from Zara, and it's just a, you guys know I'm on like the hunt for comfy, like nicer clothes to wear out, because I'm honestly constantly just dressing smart and I'm just bored of it. And I'm loving tie-dye at the moment. I feel like it's everywhere, and I loved the colors of this jumper. It's gorgeous. Again, haven't tried it on. Got it in a size medium, and this was £25.99. And now we're going to open the boxes. Okay, box number 1 is open, and we shall start off with this. Again, in my quest to find more casual stuff, I thought I could try my hand at the teddy like trend, but I don't want a full length coat because I just think it will swap me and make me look bigger. And so I thought I would try a mini one, but I don't know, I'm not sure if it's the trend for me really. So I got this little like teddy cropped jacket thing. It does actually look really nice quality, to be fair to them. I really like the buttons and everything. Like it's really nice and substantial, but I just don't know if, let's try it on. I mean, it's not really gonna go with my outfit. Do you know what, it might not actually look that bad. Ah. Do you know what? It's not bad, but I still do think it makes me look big. What do we think? It's cute. Like, I just don't know if it's very me. I don't know. I mean, this is really not the outfit for it, so maybe it's not like great to see, but it is nice. I'll try and link some similar ones down below because I feel like they're everywhere, but I feel like it does make me look big. Then we have something really exciting, and I've been waiting for these, and these are actually the reason I made this order. That's why I thought I'd take them out first. I didn't think they were going to be like knitted stuff on my bottom half, because my legs are like the chunkiest part of me, don't tend to look the best, but we shall try it. It's these knitted black trousers, and the trend at the moment is to have like a slit. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that in the camera. There you go, kind of, possibly, yeah, there you go. So trousers with a slit are really in this season. I've seen it on so many people on Instagram. I just kind of wished they were more like a trouser material. I did not know that they were knitted, but we'll give them a go. They were £25.99. I do love anything knitted, just not necessarily on the bottom half. And then I saw this cord, and I just fell in love with it. You guys know me in a cord, like, it's just a match made in heaven. There's nothing I can say other than when I find a cord that I love. Like, I showed one in my Topshop try on video that I just filmed. Like, I just put it up today. It's Sunday today. And the cord is just a little bit too like loud. I even said in the video, I'm like, I'm not really sure about it, but this is so me. I got the blazer in a medium because I want it to be slightly oversized. I don't want it to be really like form-fitting. Honestly guys, I am doing a blazer cull though, so all of you guys who always tell me, Barb, you buy too many blazers, like, go easy on me, I'm doing a cull, like I am getting rid of a lot of them. So this is just like a really gorgeous, it doesn't have like a, do you call them lapels? So it's just like an open style. And then this is the skirt. I got them in a medium and a large because I think the large will fit. And it's short. Gosh, that's really short. I don't know. We'll try this on, but I'm just scared it might be short. But I'm not going to keep it if I don't like the skirt, because the whole point of it is to have it as a coat. So I did get the medium and the large in a skirt, but we shall see which one fits. Box number 2. There's another blazer on Zara that I've been seeing everywhere, and I just had to try it, okay? Just had to try it. I literally saw someone wearing this today in an Instagram post, and she's like the most gorgeous girl from, I think she's Australian. I won't look anything like her, but let's just see. The reason I wasn't sure about this blazer is because, oh, okay, I wasn't sure about the sleeves. Like, I would actually cut these down and have them unroll. I mean, you could totally find a blazer like this in a charity shop. I don't know, what do we think? I think the shoulder pads are a bit much on me. This is a small, this is from TRF, and I think it's £70. Nah, I'm just not in love with it. I just think it's a little bit too big. I would rather just get this from a charity shop and then have it in my wardrobe. I don't think I would get the wear out of it. I just think it's a little bit much. Like, can we see the shoulder pad detail? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it would look sick belted, but I just think the shoulder pads are slightly too big on me. So at least I got trying that on out of my system. And is that it? That is not all I got. I think that is it. Okay. So it's a very, very, very short Zara haul then, guys. Yes, this is me, Barbara from the future. I'm adding this on to the Zara haul just because I thought, let me just add it on, and then you have 2 videos kind of in one to watch. So I have actually just filmed this video, but I had my bum hanging out, I'm not gonna lie, in the whole background of the video, wearing joggers, and I just look like I've got a diaper on. I've just been on an errands day. I've literally been running around like a headless chicken, basically picking up parcels that have been piling up for me. So I'm really annoyed, but I'm just gonna refilm it. I have unboxed everything. I'll try and put clips in where it doesn't look horrific, but I was just like, oh my god, I'm just gonna be editing this whole video looking at my ass the whole time. So we're just refilming it. So I'm really sorry about that. You don't get the whole full reaction, but I'll just talk through everything and it might even be quicker. So I want to just first start this video off by saying that if you haven't watched my home renovation video, please do, because I talk about a little bit about like the paint job that I did, my kitchen, blah, blah, blah. There will be a house tour coming up soon, I promise. This is why this is all here, because I kind of just want to finish everything and get it over and done with, and then just get to a point where I'm just like, Barbs, there's no more you can add. This is done now. Get over it. This is it. When I get to that point will be a great day. But I just want to show you guys a few things that I've bought from Zara Home in the sale and also not in the sale, and also H&M Home. So first thing I'm going to start off with, because I put it on my kitchen counter and I know I'll forget it if I don't show you guys, is this called like a trivet? Like a thing to put on hot, you know, hot plates and stuff in your kitchen. Anyone who's watched my home renovation video will know that we managed to burn my countertop, and that's why I had to change it. So this is just from Zara Home. It was expensive, I think it was around £20, but it really goes in my kitchen and it's exactly what I've been looking for, so I held out. Sometimes you just gotta hold out. It just fell on the floor. Sometimes you just gotta hold out for the good stuff. I also want to show you guys, I did show it in my home renovation video, but I bought this gorgeous little thing. This was £12.99 from Zara Home. Let me just show you guys the other one, because I'm just gonna regret it. This video is a shambles, but I need to, like, I'm really in the mood to film this video, and I just thought, let me show you. I also got this gorgeous little vase thing. Again, if you watched my home renovation, this is from Zara Home. It was £50 and I got it for 12. Also, if you guys are wondering, because I'm sure people, like, I kept thinking, like, where do people get these from? I got those, is that wheat? I don't even know what it is. I think it's wheat. Wheat branches, plants things, I don't know, leaves, whatever you want to call them. I got them from H&M Home in Westfield, the Shepherd's Bush. They have like a flower section in their H&M Home, and it is divine, and their flowers last and last. I've had those that you just saw there, those little, again, educate me on what they're called, those little things, I've had them for weeks. I had this little, they sell like little leaves, they sell like bunches of flowers. If you want pretty flowers, just go there. Eucalyptus, monstera, like Swiss cheese plant, whatever. They sell so much stuff. Okay, where am I next on Zara Home? On my quest for finishing my flat. I have 2 bathrooms. I have an ensuite and I also have a main bathroom. My main bathroom is like a, it's more colourful, like I've put a bit more colour in it just because I think like when people go in it's just nice. And then my ensuite's quite plain, it's like black and white. Mustard is one of the main colours in that bathroom, so I really want a new bath mat, and I've actually bought 3, and you guys need to help me choose which ones to keep, because I actually like all 3 of them. I haven't tested them out yet because I went and put this video on and I saw that it was horrific, and then I've just come to refilm it straight away. But this one is the one from Zara Home, and this is exactly the mustard colour that I have been looking for. The other 2, I'm not so sure they're going to go, but this is just a bath mat from Zara Home. Really simple. I really like the material. I don't know if it's great for like what it's going to be for, which is water absorption, because it's quite thin. And it's also quite expensive. I think this was £25, which to some people might like not be cheap, might be expensive, but I think it's quite expensive. And then, so that's pick number 1. And then I got this little pillow, which I'm trying to redo the pillows on my sofa because, sorry about that, it's been 2 years now, and they're just getting like, shall I show you guys? I'm actually so embarrassed to show you guys. Who else can relate with me on this? That is mascara, real time. Let me focus. That is mascara and foundation from Crying About a Boy. Pretty much, most probably, Crying About a Boy. You can put these in the wash, I just haven't done so because I know I'm going to replace them. So yeah, you can definitely do that, but I'm just kind of sick of them. So I'm trying to see what kind of direction I want to go the pillows in. This one is from Zara Home, but I did get some from H&M Home that I will be showing you guys. And this I thought would just look cool, like long ways along the couch, but I don't know if that's just going to be pillow overload, which I think looking at it might be. If not, this could possibly go there, but I really like my pillow here. This one is again from H&M Home. It's like a little cute pom-pom pillow or something. So yeah, this is expensive again, so if I don't like it, we're not going to keep it. I'm so annoyed that this video did not go right the first time. This is a lamp. I have a lot of lamps in this room. Well, a lot. I have 2 to be exact. I do not need this one, but I couldn't pass it up because I was looking at it when it was full price, and I'm pretty sure that it was £80. I could be mistaken, but I think it was. And I think I'm going to change out either this lamp there, this little guy, like little thing, little dome thing, and put this there, or I might put it next to my sofa. I'm going to see which one I do, but I just fell in absolute love with this. Obviously it's not straight. So it's kind of like it reminds me of like Pirates lamp, but I love this. So we will see if I end up keeping that one. But I could not pass that up for £30. Like I just could not pass it up. So from H&M I got, if you watched my renovation video, which if you haven't done so, please go and watch it because I think it's quite cute. I show you guys like my table setup, which I have said I'm kind of not happy with, but I don't really want to go and spend like another £400 or so for a set of table and chairs when I have a perfectly good like working table and chairs. Unfortunately, I bought that quite like early on in the flat, and this is kind of where I really would quite like to do a video on like how you know what to buy in a flat, because I bought everything in stages and some things have gone great and I love them still, and some things kind of haven't worked, and that's kind of been one of those things where I'm always like, I look at it and I'm like, I wish I got something else. Like I wish I got something more rustic because it just matches the kitchen a bit too much. So I'm trying to dress it up and make it a little bit more warm and homey. So I got a tablecloth, but the only thing is that my table is like a breakfast type, like it's higher up style table. So I don't know if the tablecloth will look weird on it. I've never tried a full tablecloth. So this one is from H&M Home and it's just got a little check print on it. And then I got this, which I'm in love with. I hope this looks good. This is a table runner. I really like table runners. I think they're really nice. They just add again a bit of warmth. and then I'm going to dress the table all nice, like with plates and stuff like that. But I really love this colour. It goes with my wall, which you can see behind me, and also my little French Connection rug that I have. So I'm kind of rooting for this. Let me know what you guys think. Then I also got this from H&M Home to go in my dressing room, filming room, whatever you want to call it. And it's just a little pretty pink, like, thing, catch-all. If it doesn't go in there, I might put it in my bedroom, because this actually goes in my bedroom too, kind of similar decor. And I really liked it, and I think that was £12.99. Also, anything that you guys see here will be linked down below. I really liked these from H&M Home, and they're kind of like a, I don't know, like a print, but they're not super loud, because I didn't want them to be like, the Zara Home one is quite loud, and I thought, let me try one that's a little bit more muted and see how that goes. But I really like the size, and I love this kind of material. It's like a woven style. So I got 2 of those, and these are in the 50 by 50 size, which, to give you guys a size reference, this is my 50 by 50 other one that I have. So I'm thinking of doing these 2 together. We will see though, I don't know. Honestly, I find pillows so difficult, like so difficult. So then I also got inserts. Again, I will link these below. H&M do like inserts for their pillows. So these are the 50, I'm just chucking, I think, everywhere by 50. On to Bathgate, I'm gonna call it, because you need to help me choose between 3 bath mats. So we have number 1, the gorgeous Zara Home. Should we put you here? I'm so petrified. I'm petrified that I'm gonna break this. Okay, let's put you there. So this is bath mat numero 1. This is Zara Home. We have bath mat numero 2, which this is H&M Home. As you can see, the yellow is a very different yellow. I need to see if this would even look right. Again, you'll have to just let me know which one you prefer, and then I'll figure it out. But I obviously really like the tassels. I love a good tassel anywhere, so that's number 2. And number 3, this is the Gigantor. When I opened this, I was like, whoa. This is number 3, which is a really similar color to the other one, but I love this. Like, size-wise, I love a good big bath mat. You know, like when you come out of the shower and you step down and you're like, like, you know, it just feels so nice. And this would actually fit in my bathroom, because my bath is quite wide, like my bathroom's quite long. My bathroom's quite big, basically, so I think this should fit. But the material of this just feels substantial, which is what I like a bath mat to feel like. Whereas the other 2 are kind of like, oh, we just kind of look really pretty. So let me know, 1, 2, or big guy number 3. They have loads of colours in this, guys. And I think this was the cheapest out of all of them, I think. Or maybe after this one. I think these were more under the £20 mark. That was definitely over 25. But I think that is it, guys. I'm actually going to go now. Please do let me know down below which bath mat you prefer, and if you like any of the things in this video, and if you generally like homeware. So please get excited for the flat tour. I promise it's coming soon. My jumper is from And Other Stories, in case you're wondering. I've been running around like a headless chicken today. So my joggers are from Topshop, and my earrings are Mango. I will have them linked down below. I love you guys all lots. Take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.